Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerdy Knives. I got a cool unboxing. Something coming in from Rockscale Design. You all know what this means. It's going to be something really cool. Let's take a look. Okay, today I'm opening up my box with my Spyderco Paramilitary 2 Tanto edition with the black G10 scales. I already put a little CME and a Lynch Northwest clip on there, but let's see what we have in here. All right, so we have a box here, and we have, all right, so this, I think this might be the one for this right here, so let's find out. I think this is it. Okay, got some stickers. Very cool. Oh, yes, sir. I was gonna ask them because they started doing this black wash finish, and I thought with the Tanto, I had not seen anything with this yet, and I thought that might be pretty sick looking. So we're gonna try that, and of course we got a little black wash back spacer here. I just thought this would be something new, something different, because those are some of the finishes they're doing now. Now I've noticed they've not done a lot of anodization, so those are some of the things going away, and this is some hardware to go with it in case you wanted it, the black wash. But I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side and let's get set up. All right, we're back. We're gonna be doing a scale swap on this guy, so let's do that. What we'll need here today is a T10, a T8, and a T6, right? So T6 is gonna take off our clip. I'm checking for it, making sure this sits correctly. It's not being torqued or bent. Yeah, it's a little tight right there. So we'll see when it comes together. There is a chance that it could cause it to be not centered and have a little lock stick, but you see how it's a little tight right there? It's not fitting in all the way. That should go in all the way in there. That's pretty tight. Oh, that's a bummer. So it's not a great fit. It's going to cause me some problems. It's really tight right there. See that? The scale's too skinny. I have two options. I reach out to Rockscale Design, or I fix it. Now, here's the thing. I asked them if they could put this black wash on here, and so they did. And I thought that was really cool. But that does mean that if they do that, it does mean that I'm asking them to change it. So here we are. I need to get a screwdriver for this. Give me 1 second. So the workaround fix for this guy is you run it up here like this, and then it kind of comes through. It releases this right here without causing damage to the scale, so you can reuse them. Now, this one is in there pretty tight, so we have two options. You can leave it, or I can bring my hole punch tool over here. Let's see how this one fits. Hopefully this one fits better. A little tight there as well. This will be an interesting build for sure. Don't know if I can even get it to pop in. That's the problem. Even be willing to try that. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Be a little off center. But there we go. That is really all there is to it. So that is the scales. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, entertaining, any of the above, would you consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the community. I appreciate you so very much. If you haven't already, consider hitting that notification button as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And big shout out to channel members. You do two amazing things for me. You encourage me by your memberships, and by your generosity through your memberships, you allow the channel to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could. So thank you. Thank you so much. As a small way for me to say thank you, I'd like to do two things for you. One, brand new channel members, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. I still handwrite those, and we'll like to do that as long as I possibly can. Seriously, I appreciate you, man. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once-a-month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway. Then that 1 week in a month, there'll be 2 giveaways. Members, you can enter both, you could win both. It's my small way to say thank you. And I always try to make sure that members giveaway is a little bit nicer than a budget banger giveaway. Something hopefully you'd enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. If that sounds cool to you, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers, but hey, don't sign up if you feel pressured. But if you do, whether you sign up for 1 month lowest tier or anything above, thank you. Seriously, thank you. I really do mean that. Yeah, from the bottom of my heart, so thank you. Some of you guys are going to say, what about the emojis you can do here in the live stream, the kazoo salutes, the anniversary, the exclusive content? There's more stuff. Absolutely, there always is, but it's just my small way to say thank you. I just want you to know that what you mean to me, you mean the world to me, so thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider checking me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.